Hi there, this is Rather Man. You might guess where I'm at. I'm in the basement. Half the basement is a crawl space. I bought this house, and the seller wanted to hire somebody to repair this pipe, which only leaks when they would use the outside spigot. So I decided that I would come down and take a look and assess the issue. So you could kind of see the crack here, and it had a bulge. So I took a pair of BFPs, channel locks, to compress it and get it as close together as possible. Of course, I'm going to solder, and I had a point about making the video and I forgot, but nonetheless, it's important to flux it, and which has nothing to do with the flux density capacitor. There's no such thing. And so I have solder. I bought this. I bought a pound for about 30 bucks off an eBay seller. Very good, and he's a good seller. So I like using eBay for that kind of stuff. But getting back to the ranch, I don't have a ranch. So it's important to have a heat sink so I have like a piece of aluminum over. If I can get the camera on here, have a piece of aluminum with a pair of vice grips to transfer the heat so it does not go into the rubber seal or the plastic seal when I use the blowtorch. So that is very important to do that. So sorry about the light, kind of sorry. This is Rather Man at KFUI Global Radio. Thanks for tuning in. Dun, 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 dun. This is Rather Man. This is part 2. I'm going to try and sandwich the videos together. Another home improvement video. I did get this soldered. Okay, kind of looks. See if I get the focus. It's sealed, quality seal. And I added more a heat transfer, like a heat sink, heat transfer, copper wire wrapped around with aluminum, and a pair of vice grips so that the nylon seals do not burn. And I did a good job. Years ago, I actually melted some nylon seals, and there's water all over. So I kind of learned things the hard way, but hey, I'm still teachable. Thanks for tuning in. This is Rather Man here at KFUI Global Radio. Dun, 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 dun.